Sa sigalot sa Lao, tila natakot sa France ang Chinese Navy dahil wala itong nagawa kundi magmasid lang ng malayo habang nagsagawa ng joint military exercise ang tropang Pinoy at French Army sa West Philippine Sea. Yan ang agenda report ni Francis Polve.
Nitong mga nagdaang araw, mas tumindi ang pambubuli ng China People's Liberation Army Navy Sea at Air Assets sa Pilipinas. Pinakahuli ang delikadong pagbuntot at paglipad ng PLA Navy chopper sa eroplano ng BIFAR sa Bajo de Masinloc sa West Philippine Sea.
It once again demonstrates that China is not a party that respects any form of international law or any form of dependability or reliability, because they have not been a credible citizen of the world, so to speak, and that's the Chinese Communist Party. Their expansionism, their disregard of safety, and their disregard of the rights, particularly of smaller states, is now patent and for the world to see.
Ayon din kay Defense Chief Gilbert Chodoro, importante ang pagpapalakas ng alyansa sa ibang mga bansa para matiyak na ligtas at malaya ang Indo-Pacific region. Noong Biyernes, lumahok ang French Carrier Strike Group sa bilateral maritime cooperative activity kasama ang mga sundalong Pinoy sa West Philippine Sea. Sa unang pagkakataon, lumapag sa Pilipinas ang French nuclear-powered aircraft carrier na Charles de Gaulle at dalawang French multi-mission destroyers. Ayon sa Philippine Navy, hindi lumapit ang alinmang barko ng China Coast Guard, PLA Navy, maging ang mga Chinese militia vessels kung saan ginawa ang pagsasanay.
I would like to highlight that the presence of foreign navies in our maritime domain only speaks of the strengthening of relationships between the country and that particular navy. In this case, with the French Navy and the French government. Actions of the government to bring in other nations to observe and protect the rules-based international order are very much welcome, and we have noted a marked decrease in the illegal and coercive actions of the PLA Navy each time there is a multilateral or bilateral maritime cooperative activity, and expect that there will be more of these activities to come in the future.
Kaugnay pa rin sa peligrosong ginawa ng China Navy chopper sa BIFAR aircraft, kung kakailanganin ay nakahanda raw ang Philippine Air Force na umalalay sa alinmang eroplano na magsasagawa ng maritime patrol sa West Philippine Sea. Ayon kay POP spokesperson Colonel Maria Consuelo Castillo, pwedeng gamitin ng FA-50 PH Light Jet at A-29B Super Tucano attack aircraft bilang escort ng civilian plane na magkakasa ng patrolya.
Whenever we are called upon to deploy our air assets to support other aircraft operating, be it civilian aircraft or another military aircraft, the Air Force is capable.
Sa kabila naman ng kabi-kabilang bilateral at multilateral cooperation maritime exercises sa mga kaalyadong bansa sa WPS, muling pinaalis ng China ang US Typhoon missile system sa bansa. Pero giit ng AFP, gagamitin pa ito sa mga susunod na pagsasanay sa pagitan ng mga sundalong Pilipino at Amerikano. Dagdag pa ng AFP, hindi kailanman umalis ang sandatahang lakas sa West Philippine Sea at naidodokumento nila ang bawat nangyayari dito. Para sa agenda, Francis Polve, Billionario News Channel.